38. Cease ye from man. A delightful proverb from Charles Haddon Spurgeon's writings reads, quote, "Never stretch your legs further than your blanket will reach, or you will soon be cold." End quote. We might put it this way: if you have a poor security blanket, your feet will soon be cold. In brief, we had better be careful what we trust in. A medieval emperor, to emphasize his confidence, once declared that a thing was as sure as the right hand of a powerful king who was his ally. In the next battle, that king lost his right hand and arm, and the emperor's oath became a joke. Think back on the people you once trusted in, whom you now remember with distaste. The politicians you felt had the answers, who were only another installment of problems, and the loved ones you relied on who failed you. Most men's lives have a long chapter of broken hopes and trusts. This should not turn us against friend, loved ones, or politicians, but it should remind us that Scripture is right in declaring, quote, "Cease ye from man, whose breath is in his nostrils, for wherein is he to be accounted of?" Isaiah 2:22. It's not in man, Isaiah declares, that our trust is to be placed. To expect of man what only God can give is a dangerously false hope. It's God who is the Lord, not man. It's God alone who is our sufficiency, not any man, especially ourselves. To put our trust in man is as bad as trusting in ourselves. Any man who has any length of years with himself knows full well what his limitations, failures, and inabilities are. What reason has he to believe that other men have a sinlessness and infallibility he himself does not have? It is God the Lord who alone is infallible, omnipotent, and all-wise. He alone should command our trust and our faith. The generations of old looked to him, and they were strengthened and made blessed. God has not grown old since the day of Moses and David, nor has his arm grown short with the years. As far as our feet will stretch, and as far as our feet may carry us, he is there.